That song was brought to you by Bigger Light Tea. Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa Chana Sexy, take Bigger Light Tea. Available at Mercury Drug Store and Mitsubishi Motors.
Slow down, go easy. Easy mode.
Hi there, it's 11:31. That time check was brought to you by Skin-Made Shark Oil and V-Fresh. Kapayapaan, karunungan, kasipagan, sigaw ng bayan, V-Fresh. And Fujidenso, home and commercial appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving features in all our products. So choose wisely. Choose Fujidenso. Fujidenso, quality above all. Hi, Tony. What's your secret to staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise?
It's simple. It's Bigger Light Tea. Bigger Light Tea helps take away constipation. Chana Sexy, Bigger Light Tea.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Light Tea. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa Chana Sexy, take Bigger Light Tea. Available at Mercury Drug Store.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan na ang labada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda.
Honey, anong tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Kaanda.
Eh kung pwede ako dito sa flat.
Kaanda.
Eh kung mag-dress na lang kaya ako.
Kaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ano pa may suot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit ng panlaba, Pride, the fabric conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinanalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit. Iyan ko yata magpajama.
Kaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan ang labada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Pride with fabric conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality. Come to the SM Prestige Holiday Preview Sale on Thursday, October 23. Shop with your SM Prestige, BDO Rewards Diamond or Sapphire at the SM Store, SM Appliance, Ace Hardware, Watson's, Toy Kingdom, Our Home, Forever 21, and other participating SM retail stores nationwide. See you on Thursday, October 23. Standard discount exclusions apply. Visit smadvantage.com.ph for more details. For DTI FTEB SPD permit number 4963, series of 2014.
Hi, Derek Ramsey here. You know, Dunkin' Donuts has been a big part of my life. When I was a little boy, my dad used to surprise me and my sister with my favorite Boston cream, Bavarian, and strawberry filled. And as a student in the U.S., the highlight of my day would be heading down to Dunkin' Donuts with my hungry buddies. I'm not thinking this, guys. Dunkin' Donuts has been and always will be a favorite treat of mine. Dunkin' Donuts. There's no other donut for me.
Mga misis, para sa dishwashing na tanggal ang sebo pati bakterya, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay sa'yo. For only 21 pesos per 200 gram pack. Smart Dishwashing, tanggaling-galing.
Hi! After the cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing o the pinaglutuang masibong-masibo ang pinagkainang mabakteryang mabakterya.
Ang misis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay na bagay sa iyo. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ang sebo. Tanggal-galing ang bakterya. Sa presyong kay gaan-gaan pa.
Thank you!
Smart Dishwashing. Ang galing-galing. Only 21 pesos per 200 gram pack. Suggested retail price.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Hey, how are you? Ba't di ka na gumiginig? Wait, what happened?
Nasunog kasi mukha ko dahil sa iba't ibang produktong ginagamit ko eh.
Ganyan din ang nangyari sa girlfriend ko before. Alam mo ba kung ano ang nagpagaling sa nasunog ng balat? Skin-Made Shark Oil.
Skin-Made Shark Oil?
Oo, Glacial Whitening Oil. It removes dead skin cells and blemishes, allowing new skin cells to dominate, making smooth, whiter, radiant, and younger-looking skin. Effective treatment din ito sa pimples, rashes, and whiteheads. Skin-Made Shark Oil is proven effective to whiten underarms and other body parts.
Talaga? Sige, bye! Bibili muna ako ng Skin-Made Shark Oil para beauty!
Skin-Made Shark Oil, available at Mercury Drug Store, Watson's, Robinson's, and Metro Gaetano.
Ang Star City, hindi lang happiness ang bigay, pati goodness.
Vicky, pag-good girl ka? Mag-Star City tayo. Okay, Mami. Promise, ha?
Ang Star City, part din ng celebration.
Tol, happy birthday, Tol! Paray-dalyokan ka naman sa Star City, Tol!
Star City! Star City! Ang Star City, part din ng bawat tagumpay.
Oh, sir!
Para kang nasa alapaap yan. Dapat sakay tayo sa tallest Ferris wheel sa Star City. Diba, boss?
Star City, kasama sa lahat ng occasion. Open every day, rain or shine. Kaya sa Star City, tara na.